How much will 25,000 Rose be worth by 2025? The Rose token is the native cryptocurrency of the Oasis network. At the time of recording, the coin is valued at 4.3 cents. With this price, you can buy 25,000 Rose coins at $1,075. Again, this amount is not something you want to chip in at once, and that is why it would be best to deploy the dollar cost averaging strategy in your bid to invest in the coin for the long term. That way, you can spread the buying and accumulate the coin over time, and who knows? You could end up buying 25,000 coins at way less than $1,000. For investors who know where to look, the crypto market is overflowing with opportunity. The emphasis sometimes shifts to new coins just hitting the market, the rush to get them while they're hot. However, there is always great satisfaction to be had from specific tokens that have been in the market for a while, showing steady gains over time with ease and investors discreetly cashing out and returning only to see them post additional gains. The Rose coin is one such dependable token. As you know, Ethereum is the most targeted cryptocurrency project available. Why? Because as far as we can tell, crypto developers have given up any hope of ever catching up to Bitcoin. Ethereum is just slightly atop the altcoin market, with thousands of coins with similar uses vying to outperform it. Oasis Network is one of the market's least popular among Ethereum competitors. However, it shares many similarities with Ethereum, but it distinguishes itself with a pre-installed privacy system and guaranteed scalability. Oasis is the most secure and scalable Layer 1 blockchain network. It combines high throughput and low gas fees with secure architecture to create a next-generation Web3 foundation powering DeFi, GameFi, NFTs, metaverse, data tokenization, and data DAOs. Web3 is propelled forward by Oasis, which scales and evolves it from infancy to maturity. With the launch of Oasis came a $235 million ecosystem fund, which is supported by prominent industry backers to promote projects that would expand the network. Oasis Labs, a technical contributor to the ecosystem, has collaborated with Meta, BMW Group, Genetica, and others to develop platforms and products that promote individual privacy protection, data governance, and responsible data use. Oasis Blockchain Network was created as a proof-of-stake POS blockchain to enable a free and open finance ecosystem that is secure and friendly to all. The proclivity to enable people to manage and use their data properly is at the heart of its key applications. Unlike many other networks, it was developed from the ground up, just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, with its own unique nodes that establish data secrecy and ensure higher throughput gains than Ethereum and Bitcoin have been able to accomplish in transactions per second. The network can currently process up to 1,000 TPS. The network's emphasis on privacy helps to bridge the gap between diverse blockchain applications in the crypto realm, such as DeFi and data decentralization. It also makes blockchain technology valuable not only for cryptocurrency traders and early adopters, but also for enterprises. When businesses use Oasis Network, they gain access to private dApps designed exclusively for them, and their data is safeguarded by the network's privacy infrastructure. Rose is the native cryptocurrency that fuels the POS consensus method used by Oasis Network. The method employs a random selection of validator nodes controlled by users who have staked a significant number of Rose tokens. They earn Rose by participating in the process of approving blocks of transactions for inclusion into the blockchain. Every piece of data that enters the network is turned into a digital asset that can be stored and retrieved using Rose tokens. Rose tokens are the accepted cryptocurrency for such transactions if a user wishes to sell or transfer their tokenized data to another user. To protect their data, large corporations such as Binance, BMW Group, Chainlink, and Balancer have found tremendous use for the Oasis Network's data tokenization protocol. It's because of these key partnerships that have happened on the chain that gives us the hope that the coin will do well in the long term. Predictions estimated that the currency will rise to reach 10 cents in 2023, which would still benefit new and experienced investors who know to buy the current slump and keep until the next market bull run for maximum gains. I mean, That's the goal for everybody. When the coin launched, sold at about 3 cents, and it soared to an all-time high of 20 cents per rose, with early buyers profiting handsomely. Therefore, the current price suggests that the coin is only slightly better than its initial price due to all the prevailing market factors which have prevented the likes of Bitcoin from making any mark on the wider crypto market. The present market cap of the coin, which is about $285 million, suggests that the coin could reach as high as $1 by 2025. This makes sense as an ultimatum in that timeline as a realistic value. However, I would be more than open to a few surprises here and there. So if the coin reaches $1, then 25,000 Rose tokens would be worth about $25,000, which is about 25x the amount it would cost to buy the tokens at this time. Most of the Oasis community, among other experts in the crypto market, predict that the maximum cap of the coin could just be around $3. It's still a pretty good price level considering the fact that the coin has never broken above 50 cents, which remains its all-time high price till date. Therefore, pretty much all of these predictions are double, triple, and quadruple the current all-time high. The good part is you can still get some profits in from its current price of about 4.3 cents to its all-time high at 50 cents. That's approximately a 10x jump in value, which is good on its own. Now, if indeed the coin does reach $3, then you'd be $75,000 richer and smile on the way to the bank. All these performances will rely on incredible fundamentals that the project begins to build from now until 2025. In the latest news, the Oasis network has not ceased to surprise, especially with its Web3 projects. In 2022, the Oasis team announced the scheduled launch of the Oasis Privacy Layer, OPL, which is now available in early 2023. The Oasis network's objective to offer a privacy layer for Web3 relies heavily on OPL. Unlike a parallel runtime, Paratime, or a new network, OPL allows Solidity developers on EVM-compatible networks to use the Oasis network's privacy features. This will also encourage developers to build on the Oasis blockchain instead of having to migrate their projects at high cost from Ethereum to Oasis. Talking about migrations, the OPL heralds the arrival of Oasis's own interoperable bridge. This is known as Sapphire. A cross-chain messaging bridge and a gas relayer are the basis of OPL's private EVM. This bridge connects to Sapphire on the main net, allowing developers to communicate with programs on their personal networks. The gas relayer promotes user interaction with OPL dApps by allowing them to pay gas prices in a token of their choice and participate with confidential features without having to acquire Rose directly. Of course, Rose remains an underlying beneficiary as these transactions would be conducted on its chain, and such utility will play out well for the coin in the long term. With the combo of OPL and Sapphire, developers are equipped with the necessary tools, documentation, and code samples to build their desired projects and enjoy unprecedented anonymity for applications such as DAOs, on-chain auctions, gaming, decentralized identification, and others. Another incredible addition to the Oasis network is the new Oasis Explorer. It has helped the Oasis network to improve the Block Explorer experience. Users can enjoy the benefits such as the extensive support for runtimes such as Sapphire and Emerald, as well as conventional blockchain information and privacy features. It also makes wallet integration, contract source verification, and transaction data parsing more convenient. In order to achieve Web3 interoperability, Oasis is also establishing the groundwork for a trustless bridge to Ethereum and other Layer 1 networks, with a focus on gas efficiency and a safe user experience. The Oasis wallet experience is expected to be enhanced by the MetaMask snaps to support Sapphire's privacy capabilities, resulting in a revolutionary privacy-enabled Web3 wallet experience. It will work seamlessly with the OPL and other network enhancements. In combination with these advances, Oasis is also committed to fostering a supportive developer community through hackathons, workshops, and virtual and in-person public events. These developments, among others, are key to the future price growth of Rose, the Oasis network's currency, and bring it all the way and beyond the predictions you see today. Please note that this is not financial advice. Do your own research, and the risk is yours if you choose to buy any coin mentioned on this channel.